Silicone or saline? Which breast implant is better? It's one of the most common questions I get from my patients during the consultations. But what if I told you there's now a third, more advanced option that's lighter, safer, and designed for long-term comfort? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anshu Mishra, a board-certified cosmetic and plastic surgeon practicing in Dubai, and in this video I'll explain the key differences between saline and silicone implants and why Be-Lite implants are setting a new standard in breast augmentation. So let me begin with the basics, the saline implants. Saline implants are filled with sterile salt water. They are inserted empty and filled once inside the breast, which means you require smaller incision for their placement. If they rupture, the body simply absorbs the saline, making it safe. But the downside? They often feel less natural and may show visible rippling in women with less amount of breast tissue. Silicone implants, on the other hand, are pre-filled with a cohesive gel that mimics natural breast tissue. They feel more realistic and look more aesthetic than saline implants. However, in case of a silent rupture, the gel may stay inside the capsule, so you might not even know it's leaking without an MRI. Also, they tend to be heavier, which can lead to sagging over a period of time, especially if you are choosing larger sizes. Now here's where the things get exciting. Be-Lite implants are made with the same safe silicone gel but infused with lightweight microspheres, making them up to 30% lighter than the traditional implants. Now what does that mean for you? Less weight means less strain on the breast tissue. Less weight means reduced risk of sagging over a period of time, leading to longer lasting youthful results and more comfortable for active lifestyles. Whether you're opting for a moderate or larger volume, Be-Lite offers a significant advantage in terms of long-term tissue support. Now, if we talk about the safety and the feel of Be-Lite implant, so let me tell you that Be-Lite is CE approved, clinically tested and used worldwide. The feel is natural and the lighter weight can reduce neck, back and shoulder strain, a big plus for many women. It combines the natural look of silicone with technological innovation that addresses one of the biggest complaints, that is heaviness. Who should consider putting Be-Lite implants? If you live an active lifestyle, have poor skin elasticity or want long-lasting results without added weight, Be-Lite might be your perfect match. It's particularly great for women considering larger implants but worried about future sagging or discomfort. Choosing the right breast implant is a personal and informed decision. If you'd like a customized consultation to see if Be-Lite is right for you, click the link in the description to book your in-clinic or virtual appointment. And for more videos on modern cosmetic solutions, don't forget to follow our channel and share this video with someone who is considering breast augmentation. Thank you.